All right, 2018 Honda Accord, programming the smart key, proximity key. This is a all key lost situation. So here we go. Let's start by connecting the main OBD to the main cable. Find the OBD2 port on the car and connect to the port here. This is a Honda. Okay. Agree to the disclaimer. All right. Immobilizer. Auto. 16 pin. Turn on the ignition. To start, hold the remote near the start button. So this is a key that's not been programmed. So let's go back here. We'll go back. Smart key system. Type 1 knob. Type 2 button. Type 3 button. How many buttons are this? 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons. Add smart key, all smart key lost. Take all smart key out of the car. Alright. Let's get the key out of the car. I'm gonna set it outside. Yes, security light is extinguished. Yes. Now switch ignition off. It's off. Now switch ignition on within 15 seconds. It's on. And then switch ignition off. It's off. Now switch ignition on within 15 seconds. We switch it back on. Program is successful. Press OK.